Hi everyone. Well, the project for today is this axe here that Johnny Arnett sent in the treasure box. If you saw that unboxing, it's just a smaller axe head. I don't know what it weighs. I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna put it on this handle. Killinger 28-inch boys axe handle, red elm. And yeah, I remember a few things from watching Buchan's videos on red elm, and I remember it being soft, a softer wood. Remember he put that dent right here when he was out splitting around? Yeah, I remember the dent. Yeah, so anyway, that's what we got going on. I gotta cut the kerf. I started the kerf, but I gotta cut the rest of the kerf. I don't know. I don't have no idea what I'm doing. I've never cut a kerf in an axe handle before. So, all you axe builders, please don't ridicule. I'm just doing this to say hi to my friends on YouTube and to give some credit where credit is due about all this axe stuff that's going on. Buck and Billy Ray building axes, Casterman's building axes, Killinger's making awesome handles, Josh Hicks from Hicks Hickory is making awesome handles. You know, there's many others that are making great handles, but the ones that I'm familiar with is Killinger. I have Casterman put a Killinger handle on my grandpa's double bit axe, the Adirondack, and Buck and Billy Ray for making axes, making great axes. Everybody, you know, lots of people make great axes, but the ones I have experience with is a Killinger handle, and I have a couple Buck and specials, and I have a couple Casterman classics, and I have one from Tom Joyner. Tom Joyner made that wedge banger for me. Buckin made me a wedge banger, and Buckin made Charlie an axe. Anyway, back to it. Shout outs. Good on you. I love it. I can't wait to swing this. This is so slender. This is awesome. This is way awesome. I can't wait. So let's get to it. All right. I don't have all the tools or anything like that. As you can see, I have a small vise that I'm going to put this in, and it seems to work okay. I don't have a spoke shave. You know, obviously you can see that I don't have a woodworking axe, a woodworking vise, sorry. So, we're going to put this in here, like this here. It's not real sturdy, but I'll make do. I'm using this to cut the kerf. And it seems to be working pretty good. And I don't have a belt sander. So I'll be using a little hand sander and some sandpaper and this knife right here, this chintzy knife. Because from what I can tell so far, I don't have a lot of material to remove. Killinger, they're making these handles, and they're super close. Like when I get the kerf cut in this, I was gonna do it I was going to do it before I cut the kerf, but then I thought, no, I'm not going to do that, because I want it to, you know, because I'm gonna burn it, and I want to flare, and it's going to flare out some. So I decided to go, let's cut the kerf first. Let's get the kerf pretty much in there, see where we're at. This big old wedge, I'm going to have to sand it down. Probably use my little hand grinder to do that part. So yeah, that's what I got going on. So I'll bring you along as we go. You don't need to sit and watch me sit there and saw on that all day. Okay, so I got the kerf cut. Yeah, it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. My buddy Casterman told me, aim small, miss small. It's like a miniature draw knife. Right? It is taking off minuscule amounts. But like I said, it's already really close to going on. You know, it's really close to fitting. I don't have to take any off the sides yet. Probably not until I get down here. It's just right off the ends here. But I don't want to take too much and then have a big gap. And I don't want to take a lot off the front. This beautiful wood. Oh my goodness sakes. See that? Oh. Oh, I don't even want to take it out of the vise, but I'm gonna. See how far down, see how far we are already? See? And I haven't taken hardly any material off of that. But you can definitely see the space that the wedge is going to take up. And no, it's not going to be perfectly straight, I would say. It's not horrible. it's coming together. Oh goodness, this is fun. We're getting closer. But see this space right there? That is space. And there's like the same amount on the other side. Sorry, I can't get that for some reason in the camera, but it's there. So I got to bring it down to where it starts to get wider. See here? I got to bring it down into here, farther than I would like to have, to fill that gap right there. We'll be able to fill this gap with wedge once it gets up there, right? So that's where we're headed. Ooh, we're to the top. It's not horrible. Where does that set us? Still not horrible. It's not perfect by any means, but it's not horrible. A little bit of curl there in the back. We're getting there. She's gonna be proud. Aim small, miss small, right, Casterman? Sounds like archery. But she's on there. Yeah, huh? Oh yeah, it's head heavy. Oh look. Is that primo or what? All right, let's burn this beauty. Yeah, I think so. That's pretty. I would say that's pretty good, huh? Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna try some natural Wadco on this one. Just because the burn is dark like that, I think I'm gonna try it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Oh man, oh man. Let's just get it drinking it right now, eh? Oh, look at that. I'm shaking, it's so pretty. Gosh, I hope you can see that happen. Gosh, I don't know if I want to go any darker. That is sick looking. Look at her. Oh my goodness sakes. I could see how this could absolutely become like addicting. No joke. No joke. Just seeing that to me, I just want to do that part. I just want to do that part. Because if it needs to be darker, then I can just... use it, right? Man, it is just soaking that up. Oh my gosh. You guys. That, is it just me or is that, I mean, that is just... it is beautiful. Oh my goodness sakes. I don't have all the fancy camera angles and all that. So I hope you could see that grain pop out on that. Oh goodness sakes. Oh, man. Boy, it does tighten up, don't it? Oh, man, that is gorgeous. Is that not just beautiful? Oh, man, let's get this thing on here. Okay, here we go. Let's make sure you can see that. Oh, yeah. I just got a piece of rubber down on the floor. Let's try it. I might break it. Tom Joyner? Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Ready? First wedge bang with the Tom Joyner. Boy. Guess I cut my wedge way too fat, huh? Something happened. Yep, there it is. Woo-hoo. We got her straightened out and we got her in there. Give her a little drink. It just soaks it up. Oh, you can just see it going in that wood. Now we just got to get her sharpened up. Okay. Boy, that's beautiful. Ain't it? Not bad. I don't think it's bad. It's on there. Whether or not it'll stay on there, I don't know. But even if it breaks, I'm not throwing that handle away. That's for sure. That is for sure. Awesome, everybody. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. I really, really do. Oh yeah. She's gonna get some. Look at that. Dried right up. Can you see that? Hopefully there ain't too much glare. It just drank that. One more little drink on there. Just soaking it up. I don't think I'm going to use the dark. I don't think I'm going to use the black walnut. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that already. Soaking it right up. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm no axe maker. I'm no axe man. I'm not. But Johnny Arnett gave me this head, and I wanted to put it to use. So here it is. We're rolling with it. Gotta try it out, right? Whew. Boy. That handle is so slender. Wow. Goodness sakes, that's nice. That is a handy little axe. Handy little axe. I think it's going to work just fine. Just fine. Awesome. Woo, boy, she's pretty. That's where we ended up, right there. Yeah. I went the safe route, but that's okay. Awesome, everybody. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe. Love you all. TazMan is rolling.